are you now?
Hi, sweetie. I'm still at the office. What's wrong?
My tummy is making noise. I think I'm hungry.
Oh no! What kind of noise?
Grrr, like a lion.
A hungry lion? Did mommy give you food?
Yes, but I want pizza now.
Pizza in the morning? That's silly.
No, Daddy. Pizza is yummy always breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack.
Aha, my little pizza monster.
Bring me one big pizza, Daddy, or I'll eat all the cookies at home.
Okay, deal. Daddy will bring pizza tonight.
Yay, you're the best. Come fast like a superhero.
Love you, my little lion pizza king.
Love you too, Daddy.